family, welcome to my channel Miato V. Thank you for clicking my videos. In today's video, we will see the beautiful night view of the Damascus Gate during the Ramadan in Jerusalem. The Damascus Gate is one of the 7 gates that surround the old city of Jerusalem. It is also one of the major tourist attractions in the city. The gate is frequently busy and lively, which during the day and night time people come together to sit on the walkway stairs eating their first snacks with their family. That's lovely. Enjoy as we see the night view of the Damascus Gate together. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more content coming your way from Jerusalem. I love you all and I see you in my next video.
فينا عشانه نازل